Here we are today shooting the Remington R1 1911. It's a fine pistol. It shoots really good. It don't have a lot of muzzle flip. It's easy to maintain, good control. It's a good shooter. It seems to shoot really well. It seems very accurate. I'm not a crack shot on a pistol by any means, but with a little bit of practice, I'll be able to shoot that target down there at this distance with no problem at all, very accurately. So I'll shoot one more mag through it and see if I can get a little better grouping there to show you. Find my earplugs here. Yeah, not bad, not bad. I don't know if you can see it down there. Let me zoom in a little bit, see if we can. Not bad for first time shooting it. I highly expect to become more and more accurate with it. It's very accurate right out of the box. And I contributed a lot of that to that barrel bushing being fitted to the barrel. But anyway, this is a good buy. If you're a fan of the 1911s and you want a good quality 1911, check it out. It's a fine pistol. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. Come back and see us soon. Bar 20 Arms.